just about to go see a primary school. Here we go. Oh, hi! Hello! Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is part 2 of the Bali vlog. Let me just strap up. So, we've just packed up our stuff in Canggu and we're just heading to UBUD. So while we're on our way to UBUD, we'll do some quad biking and see some waterfalls. I don't know why I just said that in an American accent. If you want to check out part 1 of this vlog, I really recommend it. I'll link part 1 in the description box below, so you can check that out. We'll catch you when we get there.
Say we're going to UBUD?
Yeah, I said we're going to UBUD.
Today, quadbiking and then on the way to UBUD?
Yeah, didn't I say that?
I don't know.
I don't know what I said. Alright. Alright, so we just made it to quad biking. It's beautiful here. This is all the quad bikes we got.
Seeing you got ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now. Cause I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart, I'm falling apart. Yeah. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now. Cause we're falling apart, I'm falling apart.
We just rode through a waterfall. Out in that water. That's insane! How is my camera still alive? I don't know.
Scary being the last one in the cave. I turned around at one point and I was like, oh shit, it's done.
That was actually insane. We just did donuts in that water there. I didn't film it. So we just did that with, what's their name? Cuba Bali Adventure. Can you see me? Cuba Bali Adventure, and I'll have their details linked down below if you want to do this if you ever come to Bali, because freaking I would definitely recommend it. So this is the room for UBUD. Got your bed there. This is the door like to get out, and it's got a really lovely view. So yeah, that's our little cute guest house thing. Oh, okay, bye. Oh, that is not, okay, that's not a thing. That is so cute. So we just made it to the monkey forest. We walked all the way here from our guest house, if that's what you call it. I'm actually really nervous because I have a fear of animals. Animals that'll jump on me. We just ordered a watermelon juice and a chocolate milkshake. Chocolate milkshake! Because it's actually so hot. Do not panic, do not run, do not look the monkeys in the eye. Do not hide anything. See, these are all things that I'm definitely going to do. The main reason I'm freaking out is because I didn't get my rabies shot. So, they're actually so cute. How about you? Oh my god. Are you happy? This is where you wanted to go. You love monkeys. Okay, so far they haven't jumped on me. They'll only jump on you if you have food, which the workers provide, so that they can sit on top of you. There's one right there. But this is really cute because I just saw a mommy and a baby cuddling. I'm like adrenaline pumped. How you feeling?
Good.
He's scared. That's why he's being so quiet.
Yeah, move.
Okay, I'm done. I can't do it.
Come down.
That is so cute. Oh wow. Good morning, guys. It is... I don't really know what day it is. We did a lot yesterday, so today we decided just to do like a chill day. Tomorrow we have a really full-on day, so we were like, let's just have a chill day in between. This morning we're gonna go check out the yoga barn. It's a really big like yoga place. Yeah, that's all I got. So, there's lots of yoga places around here actually. That was the biggest bug I've ever seen in my life. I think we're gonna get a scooter and like go and find some rice paddies. There's a really cool one called, oh, I'm gonna butcher this word. Tillalang rice field, I'm pretty sure. And so we've just arrived at Yoga Barn. It's so beautiful here. It's very peaceful, as you can imagine. Much nature. Apparently you can actually stay here, so book accommodation here and then obviously do your yoga and whatnot, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that. Whoa. Guys, we made it to this rice terrace. I can't get the name right. It's like Tillalang or something, but it's quite famous and it's quite beautiful. I'm looking at it right now. I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. What? You can swing. Insane. But it gets better because we are going down there to walk through the rice paddies. I'm freaking excited. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful?
We can walk to that part just there. We just go down here.
Yeah, let's do it. Yep. Guys, the water is so nice. When we got here, there was literally no one here. So we got all of our photos and stuff. Okay, there are actually so many people in there now. We definitely got really lucky before. Alright, so we've just made it to the next waterfall. This one's a bit of a bigger deal and like more famous, so there's heaps of people here. Like just in the parking lot, there's just so many cars. It's called Tugunagun. This is the Tugunagun Falls, and it's one of the most famous ones. So let's see how we go.
Probably the most famous one.
Probably the most famous one. So there's literally like markets just before you can get into the waterfall. Oh, what? Alright, so you can literally see it from up on this lookout point. That's it there. I'll zoom in. It's literally a hangout area. You literally just go and hang out there for the day. Let's see, that's a swing, that's the waterfall. People are hanging out just there. So yeah, this is a different experience than what I thought it was going to be. They've literally got music playing there, like it's an actual beach party. They've got umbrellas set up, towels, they're just hanging out at the waterfall, no worries.
There's like actual buoys set up in the water so you can't go past that way, like it's not even natural.
They've ruined this natural beauty and just turned it into a beach party. Okay, sorry about it. Just being real with you guys, because if you ever come to Bali and you want to check out the waterfalls and stuff, and you come here and this is what you get, you pay $3 to get in here for, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get lots of shops.
Should we go to come first thing in the morning? The first one here.
Maybe if you came first thing in the morning. It's like 3 o'clock right now. If you came first thing in the morning and there's not that many people, but still, you're not allowed to swim until about 8 AM, so you can get your photos, I guess, but ruined! Ew. That looks so gross, but I don't care. What I was saying before about this waterfall is that, like, we've watched a lot of vlogs and videos on YouTube about most of the places that we've come to, and this is nothing like what it was in the vlogs. It's basically turned into a theme park. You've got your swings, you can swim, an area to like hang out all day on the beach. There's music playing. We don't like it. No, we don't like it. Well, okay, this is what it's like. I just came up with this in my head just then. It's like humans. No. It's like man has just played dress up with nature. Yes. Yes. I actually hate fist pumping. I can't believe I just did that. Look at the sky right now, you guys. It's insane. It's like, I don't know, we woke up at like 5:30 this morning. It's like 6:15 now, so we're just in time to get picked up. This morning we are up bright and early because we're going to Nusa Penida, and I'm really excited. This is probably one of the things I've been looking forward to the most on this trip. Sorry, I didn't know you were behind me. I couldn't sleep much last night because our air conditioning sounds like rain, like really loud rain, and I thought it was raining. Hi. What drive is meant to be here? So if you guys don't know what Nusa Penida is, it's just like an island off Bali. So you have to take a boat there. So we're driving to Sanur, I think. And then we have to take a fast boat to the island. It's really beautiful. So yeah, get excited. Guys, I literally just saw 3 chow chows. They're so cute! But I can't believe they're here because it's actually so hot and humid here. Why would there be chow chows here? Alright, so we just made it to the island, to Nusa Penida. We're trying to find our tour guide person who we're supposed to meet here. Look at that view! Look at the water! It's so blue! Sunny?
Yeah, sunny, yeah.
Okay, we found him. You excited? How are you feeling?
Let's go.
You feeling excited?
I'm ready to get in the car.
And today,
I just nearly got run over by that car. Not a problem. Not an issue at all. Wow. If you thought driving in Bali was really bad, it's probably 10 times worse here. There's like no room.
It's the road. Actually, so much.
Alright, we made it. This is, what's it called? Kling Kling?
Kling King.
Kling King?
Kling King.
I can't say, but this is so beautiful! Wow! So it's meant to look like a T-Rex. That's stunning. And you can go down the bottom there. Oh, this looks really cool. I'm so done. This is so amazing.
Wow. You see? Okay, 1, 2.
Hello. That was actually insane because I've watched so many vlogs on this, and this is probably the most famous landmark here on Nusa Penida. Highly recommend this place. So we're at Angel Billabong now. Broken Beach is like just up that way. We're gonna just check out the Billabong first and then head to Broken Beach because Broken Beach is probably a bit better than this. I don't really know what this is. I don't even know what a Billabong is. That was so dumb, but I actually don't know what a Billabong is. Drone. I wish I had a drone so bad. There's heaps of people here looking at something, so let's have a look at what they're looking at. Drone action. Yeah, that was nothing special. It's beautiful, but literally it looks like terrible where I live. So yeah. Ooh! Oh wow! Wow! So I think this is Broken Beach. That's what's like in all the vlogs. I don't know what I'm doing with my hand. Sorry. Really? No! Oh guys, it's been threatening to rain like all day. And you know what? This entire time that we've been in Bali, it has not rained once, even though it was supposed to. And right now it's... So we just stopped for lunch. I'm so hungry, and by the way, the ride like between places in the car is so bumpy. It's so bad, like it's so terrible. I felt sick pretty much coming down there. Not recommend going in a car if you have any like spinal problems or if you're pregnant, because your baby will be shaken and not stirred. It's like some really bad, terrible simulation at Disneyland. Simulation ride at Disneyland. Sorry, it's like blocked your whole face. What?
Bad simulation ride.
It is. It's a terrible. Like I've been on some at Disneyland.
Have you ever been to
They
Six
suck.
Flags? Six Flags. There's a roller coaster that's red. It's called Ninja. That's what the car ride goes like.
Yeah, I hate
Sit in the seat and
simulations.
it just goes.
That's all it is. That's the ride that you paid for. Cool. I don't really know what's all that on the sand right now, but have a nice swim. Clearly, I'm not wearing any swimmers right now, but I brought them, so I'm gonna change. It's literally so hot, and guess what? It stopped raining. It actually only rained for like 2 seconds. We just scored the seating. I do not have a GoPro, so let's exit the situation right now and put the camera back. Good morning, beautiful people. So it's about 9:30, I'm pretty sure, and we're heading off to ULUWATU today. So that's the last destination. We're there for about 4 nights, so yeah, until Friday. Yeah, but I just wanted to quickly hop on here and talk about the cycling that we did. Briefly, yes, I know I'm wearing the same outfit, Asumi. Basically, we did it with a company called ABC, which stands for Awesome Bali Cycling. Awesome Bali Cycling. We did it with this tour guide, his name is Jackie. He was the best tour guide, honestly. I can't even, like, you know, some people just like, they're the best tour guide. No, this guy was really good because he was really enthusiastic and really knowledgeable for his age, and just like really into making the tour the best possible for us. He wanted us to get photos, he would take photos for us. He's also about our age, so he's 21. So he's just so cute, he's just so funny. Honestly, if you ever do cycling here in UBUD, I don't know if it was in UBUD, I think it was just a little bit north of UBUD, but like if you ever do any kind of cycling, you should definitely do it with ABC and definitely request Jackie because he's great, he's so great. The company has only been alive for like 3 years, so since 2015, and he said that the only way that they really promote their business is by word of mouth, so taking photos, posting photos, and tagging them and stuff, and just talking about it, recommending to other people, recommending to friends. So I thought I would take the opportunity on here and just tell you guys about it, because definitely worth it, because it was so great. And we actually had lunch. They provided lunch afterwards at his boss's house, which also has a restaurant on it. So you know it's clean, it's really good food because it's a restaurant. It was so peaceful eating there. I didn't film it, I don't think, but it was so peaceful. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just say that really quick because I think they definitely deserve some recognition. And how long has he been standing there? I just was like, we're gonna take a photo of our food, and Zach's just like, nah, I'm eating. Okay, all good. Just after breakfast at this cafe slash boutique. It's called Elmercat. Elmercat, I think. It's incredible. It's seriously so nice, it's so clean, and upstairs there's an area, like a Wi-Fi area. You can do some work there if you want, as well as a boutique, so you can buy some clothes and stuff up there as well. If you're in the ULUWATU area, definitely check out this place, Elmercat, because you'll be pretty impressed. Now we're just heading off to Omnia Beach Club for the rest of the day. That's literally all we're doing for the rest of the day, because it's just gonna be eating, drinking, swimming. So yeah, catch us at Omnia.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never.
If I could take a Snapchat. The camera's literally on Zach's shoulder. I'm dead. I've gotten so dark. So we're at ULUWATU temple right now. This is the get up. That's so beautiful. That's ULUWATU over there, and that is Kuta.
All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know. She told me